Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset, factory reset of this device. So, firstly, you need to connect this printer to internet. To do it, you need to use Ethernet cable. Then, using control panel, check your IP address, and using this IP address and typing this IP address in your web browser, you can open settings of this device. And of course, you can use HP Smart application. Wait a while. You can use HP Smart application on your mobile device to open settings using your device without your computer. So open your HP Smart, find your printer here, scroll down, then scroll down again, here find Advanced, and choose Advanced Settings. Here choose Settings, scroll down, and find here Restore Defaults. Restore Factory Defaults, click OK, and here you will see a message about Restore Factory Defaults. Then just click the button Restore Factory Defaults and confirm clicking Yes. Wait a while, as you can see, printer was disconnected from the Wi-Fi, from the Ethernet, and factory reset is performing. So now you need to wait for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!